Welcome to Old is Gold, your trusted destination for advice, motivation, and stories that empower seniors to live healthier, happier, and stronger lives. Here, we explore tips rooted in research, ancient wisdom, and real-life success stories, like mine. Today, I want to share a deeply personal story. At the age of 85, I was weak, hunched over, and barely able to lift a grocery bag. I had accepted that weakness was a natural part of aging. But one day, I read a quote by George Bernard Shaw that shook me. "We don't stop playing because we grow old. We grow old because we stop playing." That quote made me realize, maybe my weakness wasn't age, maybe it was neglect. So I made one decision that changed everything. I changed the way I eat. No, I didn't buy fancy powders or spend hours at the gym. I didn't need to. What I needed was the right nutrition, at the right time, in the right amount. And in just 3 months, I felt stronger, my energy returned, and my muscles, yes, even at 85, visibly improved. So today, I'm going to walk you through the 7 powerful foods that rebuilt my strength from the inside out. These aren't exotic or expensive. They're simple, natural, and available in almost every kitchen. Are you ready to reclaim your strength? Let's dive in. The first food that became a daily staple in my life was eggs. Not only are eggs easy to prepare, but they're also one of the most complete sources of protein available. Each egg contains around 6 to 7 grams of high-quality protein. More importantly, they are rich in the amino acid leucine, which is especially important for stimulating muscle protein synthesis, the process that helps rebuild and grow muscle tissue. But the benefits go beyond protein. Eggs are also packed with vitamin D, essential for bone and muscle function, vitamin B12, crucial for nerve health and red blood cell formation, choline, important for brain and muscle coordination. How I use eggs. Every morning, I boil or scramble 2 eggs and eat them with a slice of whole grain toast and avocado. It's my muscle-fueling breakfast that keeps me full until noon. Myth-busting tip: don't fear the yolk. Many people avoid it thinking it's bad for cholesterol, but for seniors, the yolk contains most of the egg's vitamins and healthy fats, essential for absorbing nutrients and fueling recovery. Within weeks of starting this routine, I noticed less fatigue and more energy during my daily walk. The second powerhouse I added was Greek yogurt. Unlike regular yogurt, Greek yogurt is strained to remove extra whey, resulting in a thicker texture and almost double the protein. A single serving can contain 15-20 grams of protein, making it a perfect snack or meal addition for seniors trying to regain muscle. Why is this important? After 60, your body becomes less efficient at using protein. That means you need more protein to achieve the same muscle-building effect. Greek yogurt bridges that gap, easily, affordably, and deliciously. But there's more. It's packed with calcium for bone health, rich in probiotics to improve digestion and nutrient absorption, contains casein protein, which digests slowly and supports muscle repair during sleep. How I use it: a mid-morning snack of Greek yogurt topped with chia seeds, crushed walnuts, and a few blueberries. Sometimes I even use it as a base for smoothie. Bonus tip: use Greek yogurt as a healthier replacement for sour cream or mayonnaise. It blends perfectly in dips, sandwiches, or even soups. This small habit gave my muscles the consistent protein boost they needed throughout the day. Now let's talk about something many people underestimate: leafy greens like spinach, kale, collard greens, and arugula. While they may not be loaded with protein, these greens are packed with minerals that are essential for muscle function. Magnesium helps with muscle contraction and relaxation. Potassium supports electrolyte balance and reduces cramps. Calcium strengthens bones and muscles. Nitrate naturally boosts blood flow to muscles, enhancing performance. A 2019 study from the Journal of Nutrition found that seniors who ate more nitrate-rich vegetables like spinach had stronger, lower limb strength and walking speed. How I use them: I steam spinach with garlic as a side dish, toss kale into salads, and blend raw greens into smoothies. Easy smoothie recipe: 1 cup spinach, 1 banana, 1 2-cup Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon flax seeds, water or almond milk. Blend and enjoy. Why it works: this gives me a blend of protein, minerals, and fiber, a perfect combination for muscle health and digestion. When I wanted a cost-effective, high-nutrition source of muscle fuel, I turned to lentils, chickpeas, black beans, and kidney beans. Why are legumes amazing for seniors? High in plant-based protein, up to 18 grams per cooked cup, full of fiber, helps with digestion and appetite control, rich in iron, folate, magnesium, all essential for strength, energy, and oxygen delivery to muscle. Legumes are also great for your heart and help lower bad cholesterol. How I use them. A bowl of lentil soup with olive oil, cumin, and turmeric became my go-to lunch. I also love chickpea salads with tomatoes, cucumbers, and lemon juice. Cooking tip: soak dried lentils overnight for better digestion. Add a pinch of baking soda during cooking to reduce bloating. Why they work: they provide slow digesting energy, plant nutrients, and steady protein, perfect for rebuilding muscles without heaviness or fatigue. Next on my list is fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel. These fish are not only rich in complete protein, but also in omega-3 fatty acids, which play a direct role in reducing muscle loss in seniors. According to a 2015 study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, seniors who consumed omega-3s regularly saw improvements in muscle mass, strength, and function. Benefits of fatty fish include anti-inflammatory effects, helps muscles recover faster, improved protein synthesis, better heart and brain health. How I use it: I grill salmon twice a week, season it with turmeric and lemon, and serve it with steamed vegetables or quinoa. Canned sardines also make a quick protein-rich snack. Important note: choose wild-caught fish when possible and avoid frying. Baking or grilling retains nutrients. Fish helped reduce the joint pain I used to feel after long walks and gave my muscles better recovery support. Quinoa was a game changer. It's one of the only plant-based foods that's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to build muscle. 1 cup of cooked quinoa contains 8 grams of protein, 5 grams of fiber, high levels of iron, magnesium, and B vitamins. Quinoa also has a low glycemic index, meaning it releases energy slowly, perfect for avoiding fatigue. How I use it: as a base for stir-fries, mixed into soups, or simply served with a boiled egg and veggies. Cooking tip: rinse quinoa before cooking to remove bitterness. Why it works: quinoa gave me long-lasting energy, and it paired perfectly with lean proteins to create balanced meals that fueled muscle recovery and growth. Last but not least, nuts and seeds, tiny nutrition bombs packed with muscle-supporting nutrients. Top choices include almonds, rich in protein, magnesium, and vitamin E. Walnuts, high in omega-3s. Chia seeds, loaded with fiber and plant protein. Flax seeds, reduce inflammation and boost recovery. Though small in size, they are high in calories and healthy fat, which are essential for seniors who often eat less but need more nutrients. How I use them: morning, a tablespoon of ground flax seed in oatmeal. Snack, a handful of almonds or a trail mix with pumpkin seeds. Dessert, chia pudding, made with almond milk and cinnamon. Why they work: they offer protein, healthy fats, antioxidants, and minerals that fight muscle aging. After just 90 days of including these 7 foods in my daily routine, my arms had visible tone. I climbed stairs without stopping. I carried my groceries without struggle. My sleep improved, my confidence returned. And the best part? I didn't starve. I didn't lift weights. I didn't take supplements. I just ate differently. And so, can you? Whether you're 65, 75, or even 95, it's never too late. Your body still listens. You just have to speak its language. Start small. Start today. Even one new food can make a difference. Thank you for watching Old is Gold. Here, we believe aging is not the end of strength. It's a new beginning of wisdom-led living. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel. Share this with a loved one who might need some strength in their heart and body.